Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Our lesson today, 13.1, Order of Operations. Remember, in math, we have four main operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Our lesson today, how to perform many operations in the same question. Or, if we have a mathematical statement contains more than one mathematical operation, how to evaluate this expression. Today we will use this word PEDMAS, P-E-D-M-A-S. P stands for the parentheses. The parentheses means brackets. E stands for the exponents or the powers. For example, 4 power 2 or 4 squared means 4 times 4 or 16. So E is exponents. D and M stands for the division and the multiplication. A and S stands for addition and subtraction. This word means if we have many operations, the first thing we must jump inside the parentheses and perform the operations inside them. After that, search for the exponents to find the value of the exponents. After the exponents, perform the division or the multiplication. After division and multiplication, perform the addition and the subtraction operation. Go to page 737 and read question 1. Remember, read to understand, then think, do, and check your answers. Take 1 minute to think about this question. You can stop the presentation. After finishing, go back. Have you finished? Yes? Okay. This question says, insert parentheses to make the following statement true. You can try to put the parentheses around two numbers and check your answer. For example, check this 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, of course, it's 8. As we said, we must jump inside the bracket and perform the operations inside them. So add 3 plus 5, it's 8. What's after P? PEDMAS, remember? After P, E, the exponents, but there are no exponents here. After E, division and multiplication, we have the multiplication operation. So now multiply 8 times 2, it's 16. What after multiplication and division? PEDMAS, addition and subtraction. We have a subtraction operation here. So continue. As we said, 3 plus 5, it's 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Then subtract 16 minus 10, it's 6. Yes. So this answer is correct answer. Now go to question 3. Read the question. The question says, name the operation you should do first. Remember, PEDMAS, of course, division is before the addition. So the division, we should do it first. Okay, now go to question 4. Read the question. try to do it yourself. You can stop the presentation if you want. After finishing, go back to check your answer with me. Finished? Yes? Okay. Here, how to think. Remember, BIDMAS. There is no parentheses. There is no powers. So then, multiplication and division. The first operation here is multiplication. So, multiplication is the correct answer. Go to question 5. Read the question. Think, do, and check your answer. You can stop the video and come back after finishing. Have you finished? Yes? Okay, use our golden word, BIDMAS. Of course, the first thing, jump inside the parentheses. So the first operation here is addition. Go to the next question. Do it. Stop the presentation if you want. Then go back. Yes, we have parentheses here. Yes, we have parentheses. And the first parentheses, it has an operation inside. It's subtraction. So the first operation here is subtraction. We must subtract 14 minus 7. So subtraction. Do the last question in this group, question 7. Think, do, check. Have you finished? Yes? Of course, we have division here and multiplication. There is no parentheses. There is no exponents. So, after that, division and multiplication. The first operation here is division because division comes first. So, division is the correct answer. Now, go to the next group from question 8. The question is, use the order of operations to find the value of each expression. Question 8. Read the question. Understand. Think. Do. Then check your answer. You can stop the presentation if you want. After finishing, come back again to check your answer with me. Have you finished? Yes? Okay. Remember, BIDMAS, there is no brackets, no powers. So the first thing here is multiplying because we have multiplication and division, but multiplication comes first. So the first operation is multiplying. 7 times 6. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. Okay, just write the 42. Now we have two more operations, addition and division. Of course, division comes first. So divide 42 by 3. What's 42 divided by 3? Take your time. Yes, it's 14. Now, the last operation is addition. So we must add 3 plus 14. What 3 plus 14? Yes, it's 17. So the final answer is 17. Are you happy with this? Yes? Then go to question 9. Read the question. Think, do, and check your answer. Stop the presentation if you want. then come back again to check your answer with me. Are you finished? Yes? Okay. How to solve this question? Of course, the first thing, the parentheses. Yes, we have parentheses here. And inside the parentheses, we have multiplication. So we have multiply first. What's 2 times 14? Yes, it's 28. And after the parentheses and the multiplication, we have another multiplication sign. So we must multiply 2 times 9. 2 times 9, of course, it's 18. Then we have two numbers, 18 and 28. And the last operation is addition. We have adding sign here. So we must add 18 plus 28. Add them. Yes. 18 plus 28 is 46. So 46 is the correct answer. Are you happy with this? Yes? Go to question 10. Do it. You can stop the video. After finishing, come back to check your answer. Okay. In this question we have division operation and multiplication. So how to start? Division and multiplication are the same. So begin with the first one. So we must start with the division. What's 64 divided by 8? Of course it's 8. And the last operation is the multiplication. Multiply 8 times half. Remember how to find 8 times half or half times 8. What's half the 8? Half the 8 is 4. Or you can divide it by 2. So the answer is 4. The last answer or the final answer is 4. Okay, go to the next question, question 11. Stop the video, try to do it yourself, then come back. Finished? Yes? Okay. Of course we have parentheses here, and inside the parentheses we have subtraction operation. So we must subtract 19 minus 5. What's 19 minus 5? Of course it's 14. Remember, we are using our golden word, PIDMAS. What after the parentheses? Exponents. We have no exponents here. After that, D and M, division and multiplication. We have multiplication, so multiply 14 times 3. Multiply 14 times 3. 14 times 3 equals 42. And the last operation is addition, so we must add 42 plus 4. What's 42 plus 4? Yes, it's 46. Okay, go to question 12. Stop the video, do it yourself. Have you finished? Yes? Okay. Now check your answer with me. We have subtraction and addition, and the first operation is subtraction, so we must subtract 15.3 or 15 and 3/10 minus 12. What's 15.3 minus 12? It's 3.3. Yes, 3 and 3/10. The last operation is adding 3.3 plus 2.5. Add the ones with the ones and the 10th with the 10th. So the answer is 5.8. The final answer is 5.8. Go to the last question, question 13. Stop the video, do it yourself, Come back again to check your answer with me. Welcome back. Yes, the first operation, of course, it's the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have subtraction, so we must start with subtracting 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. On the next operation, we have minus and plus. Of course, they are the same, but we must start with the first operation. It's subtraction, so subtract 36 minus 5. 36 minus 5, it's 31. Then the last operation is adding 31 plus 5. What 31 plus 5? Yes, it's 36. Thank you very much, my dear students. I enjoyed this session. Goodbye.